What's up? Today I'm going to tell you an awesome trick to find bond order. So to find bond order in 12th board syllabus there will be only 20 electrons in an atom. So we can divide this into two cases. The case 1 will be an element having electrons 1 to 8 and case 2 will be an element having electrons 9 to 20. Let's get started. For case 1, we will find the number of electrons in an atom or element. Like in here, in Li2, there is 6 electrons in total. So for this if there are 6 electrons in an atom, it will fall into case 1 and we will use Baba rule. In Baba rule, to find bond order, we will assign the number of electrons to Baba. Like if there are 6 electrons, so 2 will go first, then 2 and then 2, and here 6 is over, so there are no electrons in A. Then we will use the formula bond order is equal to half of B minus A. So we will count the total number of electrons in B and total number of electrons in B, and so we will find total number of electrons in B and total number of electrons in A. So here are 2 plus 2, 4 electrons in B and 2 electrons in A. So bond order will be 1. Like the same case in Li2 minus, there are 7 electrons in total. So we will assign 2 electrons in B, 2 in A, 2 in B and 1 in A. Now we will use the formula bond order is equal to half of B minus A. Here B is equal to 4 and A is equal to 3. So our bond order will be 2. Now let's come to case 2. In case 2, we just have to remember this simple trick and this is very easier than case 1. Like just see, we will write all the numbers from 9 to 20 and give the value 3 to 14. This is the bond order of 14. We can say that if the total number of electrons in an atom or element are 14, then the bond order will be 3. Then we just have to go up and down. Like if we go up, then we will subtract 0.5 from each number. So here 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1, 0.5. Here also the same case, and your answer is done. If the total number of electrons in an atom are 18, then its bond order is 1. If the total number of electrons in atom or element is 20, its bond order is 0. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have liked the video, click on the like button. Thanks for watching guys.